Are you ready to dive into the vibrant traditions of Igboland? We're talking about the new Yam Festival today.
Okay, yeah. This festival, as Kogich wrote, it's not just about eating yams. I mean, it's a deep dive into Igbo culture, history, and even their spiritual beliefs.
So it's way more than just a harvest festival then.
Right. The piece really hits on how the festival has changed. It used to be tied to, a priest declaring the new month, which, as you can imagine, created some tension back in the day.
Uh-huh. So how's it celebrated now?
Well, the celebrations span 4 market days, and each day has its own significance. It starts with priests making offerings. Then it moves to the king's celebration, which is super public.
Okay. And what about the food? I mean, is it yams are pretty central to the whole thing?
Definitely. I mean, you've got everything from abacha to different rice dishes. But the highlight is yam with oil, followed by pounded yam with soup. Oh, and goat meat is at the heart of the celebrations.
Sounds amazing. So what about the Igwes, the king? What role does he play exactly?
Oh, he's key. The piece explains how he leads prayers for peace and prosperity before anyone else can dig in. Then, he shares the yam with his council and receives guests.
I got it. So what about the community? How do they get involved?
Well, chiefs have their own versions of the festival, and the sons of women from the town, that Nwandiana, they visit their maternal relatives with gifts. Yeah, it's all about strengthening those family ties.
Okay. How do modern Igbos relate to it?
That's an interesting point. Some churches even celebrate it now, and many non-traditional Igbos mark the festival without all the traditional rituals. Yeah, it's hoped that, all facets of Igbo society will embrace it in an atmosphere of peace someday.
Well, that was a great look at the new Yam Festival. Thanks for sharing.